Christmas, and I must have been pretty good because look what Santa brought me. Just kidding, I didn't get anything from that fatty. I actually went out and got this myself. It was on sale. It must have been a Christmas special or something, and I got it for really cheap. So what we're looking at here is a 2 horsepower router and router table combo kit. Now, a lot of you guys are probably squinting trying to figure out what brand this is. So this is a PerforMax router. Huh? Yep, PerforMax is exclusively available at Menards. Huh? Okay, so Menards is a hardware store that is pretty much only based in the Midwest. So yeah, you guys probably don't see this brand very often. Unless, of course, you live where I do. But with the prices you got with this, you really can't beat it. I think total on sale, this was $120. And plus Menards gives you an 11% rebate for absolutely everything you buy. So after redoing my bathroom upstairs, getting all the materials from Menards, this thing was pretty much free. I mean, they're just giving them away. So we're going to go ahead and open this up. Oh, you think I was talking about the box? Well, that'll be next. Alright, let's see what we got here. Oh, jeez. Like a puzzle. Ooh, dust collection. Oh. Here is the table. It's actually pretty solid. Just heavy duty stuff. I'm impressed. Oh, jeez. Here's the router. It's got some good heft to it, but it's got a 2 horsepower engine to it, so it does have to be fairly strong. On and off switch for the table. Whoa, this one's heavy. Ooh, legs. They're actually big aluminum legs, which I'm surprised. I thought they'd be plastic. So that's nice. I have heard really good reviews about this table and this router, especially for how cheap this is. Usually you don't get good quality materials when you get so cheap. I don't think I need to show you guys how to assemble this table. It's pretty straightforward, so I'll see you in a little bit when this is all put together. Okay, so as you can probably see, I do have the router table all set up behind me. But before we attach the router to it, I want to talk to you guys a little bit about the features of this and the features that you might be looking for in your own router. So like I said earlier, this thing is 2 horsepower. It also comes with some nice big bulky handles that you can use to maneuver this around when you're not using it on the table. This is a variable speed router all the way from 11,000 to 25,000 RPMs. The gauge for it is right up top here. This thing also comes with micro adjustments, which means when you open this to adjust your router, it'll tell you how much you're adjusting it right here. And that will be adjusting the height of your router inside of this base. It also comes with a clear base plate that attaches onto the bottom. This just makes it easier to glide across wood than it would with this metal surface. Also, some other features that come with this, there are 3 LED lights here. And also it does come with a dust collection system that you can screw on right here that a 1.25 inch hose will attach to. This thing also comes with a soft start feature. That's something that's really important. If you are looking for a router, I would make sure that it has that, which I do think most routers have that already. I'll just go ahead and plug this in just to show you. So what the soft start feature means is that it's going to slowly start turning and then speed up to full speed. That's super nice just because routers can be a little dangerous. The only thing that's a little inconvenient is the switch right here. Not my favorite type of switch, but for the price, it's alright. And you can see how it slowly gains speed, and also the lights that are in here too, so that you can see what you're doing with the router. So just looking it over, it is a pretty good quality router. Just on standard, it's a 1/2 inch collet right here. All of my bits are 1/4 inch, so it does come with a 1/4 inch collet that you can put in here, so that way all of your bits that a 1/4 inch will still fit and perform in this router. Also, the only other thing I wish this had, I wish this came with a plungeable base. Normally when you buy a router kit, it either comes with the table or the plunge base. For your workshop, it would be a good idea to make a router table yourself and then get the plunge base. Fortunately, my workshop isn't all that big, so that's why I went with the little table on my tool chest right here. But I will probably end up picking a plungeable base up later. All that is pretty much a cage that the router fits in with springs on it so that you can push the router down and plunge it into the wood. But I'm going to put this 1/4 inch collet in and then put it up to the table and we'll take a look at that. So here is the PerforMax router table, and to be honest, I'm actually pretty impressed with this. It comes with a bunch of features like these feather boards right here. This adjusts in and out right here. There's a hole in the back for dust collection, so you can bring this down and then hook a vacuum up to it, and then the board goes in like this, and then you won't get any sawdust on you. Not only that, but it's got a nice switch down here. Little push board system, I just got it over here. But yeah, pretty much everything on here is adjustable, which is super nice, so that any kind of cut that you want, you can do it with this thing. So I'm just going to try a little cut here. There are thousands of different types of router bits, so that you can use all different kinds. Right now I'm just going to try this one out and then see how it turns out. And here's our design from that router bit. You make some pretty cool trim with this. Alright, so that's it. There's my quick video of the router and router table. I'm going to have a lot of fun working with this thing. I know I got a couple projects coming up that I need this thing for, so you'll see it in action coming up. And let me know what you think down in the comments about your router, or what you might use one for. It's a really cool and unique tool, and I know I'm going to have a lot of fun with it. So I'll catch you guys next time on the next project. See you later.